अंग्रेजी उच्चारण पार्ट 1 from the story Once Upon a Time written by Nadine Gordimer. Chopi, Tsonga, Tsotsis, Jacaranda, Cornice, Walkie-talkie, Pikes, Dragon, Coils, Spanish, Suburb, Trusted, Housemaid, Bars, Heed, Happily, Razor, Witch, Paused, Itinerant, Thorns, Gardeners, Employers, Bloodier, Burglar, Neighborhood, Unemployed, Devices, Maid, Fairy, Housemaids, Swimming, Electronically, Thieves, Plague, Riots, Hungry, Holidays, Comings, Varieties, Suppressed, Raised, Arriving, Misfortune, Shrills, Possessions, Flashed, Intruder, Affixed, Pieces, Graceful, Comparing, Burglaries, Patio, Find, Hooking, Licensed, Hacked, Hysterical, Nibbling, Consisted, Villa, Racist, Accustomed, Controlled, Screams, Risking, Tire, Reconciling, Trailer, Cassette, Cicadas, Pressing, Architecture, Roused, Ransacked, Attached, Workman, Pave, Supplied, Nonsense, Tales, Intentions, Tow, Screamed, Breaching, Spoilt, Climbing, Quartered, Creep, Sword, Loiterers, Evident, Array, Subscribed, Drank, Distracted, Devour, Ugliest, Recommended. Thank you.